Upgrading to a cold air intake can be expensive, and if it's not in your budget, don't worry, because upgrading to an aftermarket oiled air filter or even an aftermarket dry air filter can be beneficial for you. And if you don't know the difference between the two, then we're gonna walk through that and show you the difference today, and even show you how to install an air filter into your Ford Bronco. We'll start this off with the oiled filters. These have a much different material than your dry filter. Usually your oil filter will be a cotton gauze fabric material versus the dry filter, where it's actually just made out of a bunch of layers of paper. Now, because the oil filter has this material, it allows way more airflow to get through and inside of the engine. Now, I know what you're thinking, with bigger air holes, that must mean more dirt, debris, and contaminants can get inside the engine. Well, that's wrong, because with the oiled filter, you actually have a special oil that coats around the filter to be able to trap all those dirt, debris, and contaminants. Now, with that in mind, you will have to take this filter out every couple thousand miles to be able to clean it, and they do have a special cleaner to be able to use for that. So if you are thinking about switching to an oiled filter, just definitely keep in mind of the maintenance of it. Now let's talk about dry filters. Like I said before, dry filters are basically made out of paper. They have a bunch of layers of paper that come together to be able to make the actual filter. Now, there are some cases where they'll have the same material as an oiled filter, but it's not too common, and that's mainly the fact that the cost of these are way less than an oiled filter. Now, upgrading from a factory dry filter to an aftermarket dry filter is still a great idea, because you should be able to get way more airflow out of an aftermarket one. Now, keep in mind, an oil filter gets dirty pretty quick, and it'll have about the same flow as a dry filter when an oil filter is dirty. Now, one major difference between the dry filter and the oil filter is the dry filter you actually don't clean. Sure, if you have any particles that are large enough or debris that are large enough inside of it, you can blow it out, but realistically, after 10-15,000 miles, you're going to want to replace this. And if you don't reach that mileage, you're definitely going to want to replace it in the next year or two, depending on its condition. So keep this in mind if you are looking at dry filters for your vehicle. Now that you know the difference between the filters, it's time to install one on the Bronco. Now, I picked the oil filter for our Bronco, and the main reasoning is because we're going to have some fun with this thing in the trails, and the air filter is going to get dirty pretty quick. So I'd rather clean this filter after a day in the trails versus replacing one every single time. So let's go ahead, open the hood of the Bronco, and get this installed. Before we jump into today's install, if you have any questions about the tools that we're using, check out cjponyparts.com/tools, or click the link in the corner of the video for a free video and PDF file showing you what tools you should have and how to use them properly and safely. Start this off, just remove this clip here. And then pull this piece of plastic out the way. Now we're going to remove 4 T30 bolts around the intake cover. Once you have the hardware removed, just pop off the top cover, and there's our air filter. Then all you have to do is just pull the air filter out. Now it's time to put our oiled air filter into our Bronco. Once you have your air filter in, reinstall the top cover, that plastic piece, and then just secure all the hardware, and you'll be all set and ready to go. At the end of the day, picking an oil filter versus a dry filter just comes down to personal preference. Now, both will benefit your vehicle, so it's definitely a good idea to ditch that factory air filter and upgrade to an aftermarket one. We have multiple options on our websites, don't be afraid to check it out, but it's time to drop a gear and disappear. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and as always, check out the link in the description for all your off-road part needs.